náà ni ó báyìí náà ni àní báyìí náà lérè wa àti sọ pé báyìí náà ni àní báyìí náà lérè wa Bisi Ologe Show lè tó Alábí Akẹ́wà jẹun bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti gbé síbẹ̀ Jíbọ́lá ẹ fi sílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀hún ẹjọ́ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀hún ẹ má gbé kúrò Jíbọ́lá o tóró ń kọ́ nínú gbọ́n òye ń bẹ níbẹ̀ Jíbọ́lá Bisi Ologe Show lè tó báyìí náà ni o.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Well, I'm not an... What kind of English do I want to say? I'm not a man of too many words. Well, I really don't know what to say about Mobimpe that you all do not know.
Let me teach you what to say.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
You know what? Liar.
Because if I catch you...
You are lying. Say it. Say it.
Well, I was going through my gallery some days ago. I was looking for a particular picture. Then I bumped into several videos, pictures that I've done with Mobimpe while on set, out of time. Like, really? I'm not this way for a while, though. There was one particular picture I saw where we all want to share. And the princess and they wrote love and stuff. You know, we're very cool. The first time I met her, I'm not the kind of person that jumps at people, talk to everybody. When I met her, she has always been a very reserved person. When she gets on location, you will see her. She will just be in her car, her pillow, everything is there. You understand? She will sleep there, she will eat there, she will do everything. If she can bathe in the car, she will. You understand? So I've known her. So when I saw her, I'm like, oh, this lady is a very calm person. Okay, fine. I said hello, hi. Then we got talking. You know, unlike some other people, it ends there. But for Mobimpe, it continued. We may not talk for a month, but when we see again, you know that, yeah, this is my friend, the vibe is there, you understand? It's not about, oh, you talking every day, seeing her all the time, and so, and all thanks to social media, where we keep in touch, but some people actually feel like, okay, you know what Mobimpe is eating right now. I know what she's doing. Sometimes I don't even know. Her last birthday, I got called. Where is she? Me, I'm on set. I'm busy somewhere, but I'm sure she's fine. You understand? If I wanted to know, I would know. But sometimes, you know, I like to respect people's space and all that. And I feel that what actually makes the friendship stronger and stuff. I don't want her to really see my flaws. I don't want people to really see me when I'm angry. And I don't think I want to see her when she's angry too. Because I don't know why you need to choke over it. But so far so good, we've been good friends. Then she's also okay, that aside, then she now happens to be a wife to my friend Abdulatif, you understand? So you can imagine where the old relationship. So apart from being my friend, she's my yawo, you understand? I'm still going there, you know. Okay, there. The cake is the So on this, so I like to always, she honors me, she respects me a lot. So anytime she calls me, I always try to also make myself available. It's not very convenient to be here tonight. I almost had an accident today. Yes, you can imagine shooting till 5 o'clock, driving myself, almost jumping into third mainland and stuff. But then the trauma is about I'm still here to celebrate with you. I wish you many more fruitful years. Massive wealth, fair, I shall be happy till the end of time. All the prayers that people shout on you today shall come to reality. You are a star, you shall shine for us. Happy birthday! Thank you.
Malo bá mi wá o. Malo bá mi wá kó wá jáwé orí sí o. Ẹ̀sùn sẹ́yìn. Ẹ̀yà débi pé bá mi màsáàjì orí ọmọ ẹ látòkè dé sálẹ̀. Màsáàjì bẹ́ẹ̀ bí màsáàjì ẹgbẹ́ ìyá mi bá kẹ́kẹ́. Bóyá ọmọ yẹn sórí ẹsẹ̀. Bóyá sọ pé fún mi lọ́wọ́ o. Ọkọ mi. Ibi tó ní interest ló jẹ́ sí. You talk to that. Ẹni tó fún mi. Bóyá fún mi lọ́wọ́ o. Ọkọ mi. Ẹbí lọ́wọ́ o. Ọkọ mi. Fún mi lọ́wọ́ o. Ọkọ mi. Ẹgbẹ́ lọ́wọ́ o. Ọkọ mi.
Bring her up.
Just try it. Just one. Oh, yeah, Kila, I won't say. Topic, Papa, one year.
Starting the wife, go to the side.
Eba mi lead them, big mommy. Eba mi lead them for the Bible.
Ya jáwọ́.
I will instruct him now.
Bismillah. Ar-Rahman.
The other side.
Bismillah. Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahim. Ya Hayyu. Ya. I want you to
subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.